still cruising. So we arrived at the cruise terminal at 12 p.m. and we checked into the Oasis of the Seas, which is one of the largest cruise ships in the world. So this is the room. We have a balcony room and the bathroom over here, and we have a standing shower. And then we have the sink area here. This is a storage area, and we have shelving and a spot where you can hang your clothes. Then over here we have another mirror and a TV, a little desk area, and a couch. Then we have our bed over here. So then we just have this balcony here with chairs and a table and a beautiful view, and we can see the city skyline from over here. And that is our completed room tour. So I'll show you what the boat looks like soon and some of the activities we're gonna do today. We were sailing from the New Jersey, New York port, so we got to see the Statue of Liberty and the New York skyline as we sailed away. Then we did the slides, which were dry potato sack slides. And we checked out the hot tub jacuzzi, which had a beautiful glass window where you can see the ocean right behind you. And we headed to dinner after doing a few more activities, and I wanted to share that they had super good butternut squash soup, and we headed over to ice skating. So it's currently day 2, and today we're going to be at sea the whole day, and it's been really nice weather today. It's about 72, and I'll show you the ocean from the balcony. So we just finished getting breakfast, and we ate breakfast at the main dining room, which is a sit-down breakfast place on Royal Caribbean. But yesterday was our first time on a cruise ship on sea. So yesterday we saw the ice skating show, which was really great. And we also ate at the main dining room and listened to some jazz music on the ship. So I'll show you the clips here. And now I'm going to show you day 2 at sea before we do our 3 stops for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Day 2 was our day at sea. So on this day we focused on doing a lot of the activities offered on the cruise. So we went to breakfast at the main dining room, and we also checked out Central Park and finished the night with a show.
Don't it feel good?
had our first port day and we were going to Port Canaveral, which is by Cocoa Beach in Florida. And this day the weather turned beautiful and it was warm outside and the ocean looked great.
They gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me when tides came.
Then we headed over to a shore excursion at Ronjon, and we did a bit of shopping here, and this is actually the largest Ronjon in the world. And after going shopping, we checked out Cocoa Beach, which it was my first time visiting a Florida beach, and it was very pretty, and we just walked along the water before getting back on the bus to go back to the ship.
Tried to shout, but when in doubt.
Then on day 4, we went to Coco Cay, which is Royal Caribbean's private island.
She was living in summer. Never loved her. I love to be there. Whoa. These days it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me. Living in the summer. Too long, and Lord never loved her. I love the way she calls. Whoa, these days it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
Our last port day was Nassau, Bahamas.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. On the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby.
Then it was time to go on some water slides, so we went on the 3rd
shine through and come. Moon, moon, baby, it's you. Moon, moon, baby, it's true. Moon, moon, baby, it's you. I don't wanna leave nothing with you. Moon, moon, baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change.
After checking out the water park, we decided to head over to the beach at Atlantis, and we did some swimming. And as we walked back to the bus to get back to the cruise ship, we checked out the aquarium as well. Then, once we got back from the shore excursion, we headed over to dinner, and we had a very good meal, and we finished off the night by going to see Aqua 80. After visiting all 3 stops, we had our last 2 days at sea. So we just went ice skating in the morning. Then we decided to go on the water slides.
From a movie scene to made of people in my dreams.
And we also went to go see Cats the musical. So it's currently day 6 of our cruise, and tomorrow is going to be our last day, and it'll be day 7. So I just wanted to check back in and update on what I've been doing so far on the cruise. So first of all, I personally love Royal Caribbean. I think they've done such a good job with their cruise ship, and we're on the Oasis of the Seas. And for our cruise, we had 3 stops. So we did the one in Orlando, and for Orlando, we visited Cocoa Beach, and we went to Ron Jon and Cocoa Beach itself, and we just walked along the beach there, and that one was pretty quick. It took about 2 hours to do that excursion, but you could have stayed longer if you wanted to. And then we did Coco Cay, which is personally my favorite tour excursions. We did the water park, which is an add-on to going to Coco Cay, and then we also went to the beach area. But if you like thrill water slides, I definitely recommend going to Coco Cay. We did so many. They had like the drop floor slides, and so that was super fun, and my first time doing those. And then we did Atlantis in Nassau, Bahamas, and that was also my first time going there. So we did a few slides, and I showed some of the clips from that. And those were our 3 stops so far. So I'm gonna show you what we do on our final last 2 days of the cruise, and I'll check back in then. our last day at sea. And we started the day off again by getting breakfast at the main dining room. Then we headed over to the top deck for a mini golf competition. But sadly, we did not win. I think I took about 20 tries on one of them. But we still had a lot of fun.
Wow.
Then we did zip lining. Then that was our cruise. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to leave a comment if you've ever went on a cruise ship before or what your favorite cruise ship is, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!